Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the RustDesk remote control software. So this works like TeamViewer, where you could connect and control another computer over the internet. This is free. TeamViewer is free when you use it for personal use, but if you start connecting to too many computers, it'll start giving you a warning that you should buy a license and then eventually cut you off. So this one works pretty well. It's a little bit slow, but they do have an option to set up your own server if you want to do that, if you know how to do that. So if you plan on using it for a lot of clients, that might come in handy. So I have a Windows 11 computer, which is going to be the host here, connecting to a Windows 10 computer. So I have it on both computers. So it's just an executable. You just download it and run it. And then you have your ID and password like you do with TeamViewer. So going back to Windows 11 here, I'm going to connect. And it also has a little favorite section here from previous connections. If you want to do that, then you could also, delete it, connect to it just like that from there. So we'll click on connect. So now we need the password from the Windows 10 computer. Okay. All right, so now we're on the Windows 11 computer connected to the Windows 10 computer. And you'll see you have your little toolbar here. You could pin it. You have the full screen. Some other options: request elevation, password, transfer file, which we'll get to in a second. Restart options, switch sides, if you want to switch the control from, the opposite direction, I guess you could say. Then you have some scale options, image quality. So you might want to mess with this to see if you could improve performance if it's a little slow. Codec, resolution, and some other options here. Some keyboard mapping options. Then you could do a text or voice, or text chat or voice call. And that pops up on the other side there. And then you could record the screen too, and then exit out if you want to disconnect. Okay, so now let's try out the file transfer. Put in the password again. Okay, so we have the local and remote computer. So we're in documents here. Let's do this agenda doc, send it over. Now let's go back over to the Windows 10 computer, go to that folder, and then you can see we have the file there. And even if you're disconnected, let me go back here. You could start the file transfer right from here. If you don't need the remote control, you just click on transfer file and then put in the password again, which might have changed. Let's see. Yep. And now you're at the file transfer window without using the remote control. So you don't have to start the remote control to do the file transfer. So you could do them separately if you want to. Okay, so I will put a link in the description where you could download this tool here, RustDesk, and then you could try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.